Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a closure wig for you guys from West Kiss Hair. So if you are interested in how I got this curly look, keep watching. Alright guys, so from West Kiss, inside the box they're going to give you an adjustable like elastic strap to sew on your wig if you want to, a wig cap, and also a bag to keep your wig in. So this is their curly wave unit. I have the 6x6 lace closure wig. It's in 24 inches and 180% density in a size large. And the cap construction is going to be different, of course, in a 13x14. You have these two combs in the on the sides, and then you have all lace in the middle, which you do get a pretty good amount of lace in the middle for a deep part where my hand is. So you guys just saw me tint the lace just using some foundation, and here I'm just gonna cut off as close as I can to the hairline. I'm just gonna cut off that extra lace, getting ready to lay this wig. And on these closure units, you want to make sure this little part I'm showing you right here, you really get as close as you possibly can to cutting that off, because it will show on your wig. It's happened to me. The whole lace will be melted, and then you'll see this thick white or so, tab sticking out of your head. So you want to make sure you cut that off as close as you possibly can, and as close as you feel comfortable as well. So here I am just going to take some freeze spray and lay this wig down. I have done this plenty of times. Wipe with a baby wipe and just kind of go back and forth. I typically do 2 layers of freeze spray and blow dry with my blow dryer to make sure it is all melted and laid down. You guys have asked me how long will this freeze spray stay as far as days goes, and I'm not 100% sure because I take my wigs off nightly, but I'm just taking a guess. It should stay a couple days, maybe a good 2 or 3. Somebody else could probably answer that a lot better, but yeah. So here with this closure wig, I'm just showing you the areas you can part. So keep in mind you do have a limited amount of space on where you can part, so you can't do that deep of a side part or anything like that. So I just went on ahead and did a middle part for this wig, and I'm just going to lay some baby hair. You guys have also asked me how do I take my wigs off at nighttime, and I just apply water. I just take some water in my hand when I'm getting ready to wash my face, just do my nightly kind of routine, and the wig comes right off. You don't have to do any pulling, tugging, or anything like that. The water just separates that glue, and yeah, the wig will just slide off with water. So it should be very easy for you. So I am purposely doing more exaggerated baby hair with this wig in particular, just because with curly hair, I feel like you can really get away with doing a little bit more baby hair than you could with, straight hair, but that's just my opinion. So yeah, so that's why you kind of see them all big and swoopy, but I can fix that later on. I just need the hair to just be laying in the right direction, which is down. So here is what we're looking like after laying my baby hair, and now I'm just gonna go in and kind of define the curls a bit and just kind of separate and define them. So I'm just gonna take about 4 sections on each side and then spray it with water, and then I'm just going to detangle with my fingers, with my hands, because this hair really doesn't need a brush, even though I ended up using one on the other side, and then later on you can really just detangle these curls with your hand. The hair is so soft, and that's a gift forgiven with Westkiss hair. I've never had one problem with Westkiss. They always have a really great quality hair, really affordable as well. And I just knew this hair was going to be just like the others, which is really, really nice. The only thing about this particular wig was that because it's in 24 inches and most likely the top, like the closure part, is probably in 20 inches or something like that, it just doesn't match up. So you'll see like a really big gap between the top and then the rest of the hair, which is what I'm showing you right here. And I was just very tempted to just cut it really, like cut it, you know, cut off a few inches, maybe like 3 to 4 inches, but I just went on ahead and cut just a little bit off the bottom, just to start there and see how it would look once it's all dried. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out to you guys, just in case you do want to get the 24 inches or 22, I would say 22, 24. Just know you will have to put some layers in this, because if I was like, I'm just not the best right now at cutting layers. I just haven't been cutting hair that much, so I'm super just rusty with it. But if I was, I would just go ahead and put some, you know, long layers up in this and just even it out and make it flow a lot nicer. But that is not gonna happen on this day. So closure wigs aren't just for beginners. They're really for anyone who just doesn't want to deal with the hassle and the maintenance as well of a 13x6 or a 13x4 like lace front wig, like full lace front wig. You are limited with your, you know, creativity as far as like parting and all that kind of stuff. However, it's just much easier to maintain, in my opinion, because you only have a few inches of lace to deal with and to, you know, make look natural and keep up with. So keep that in mind if you're just someone who's always on the go or just does not want the maintenance of a full lace front wig, then this will be a really great option for you. So that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope it was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. I will put all the information to this wig down in the description box so that you'll have it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video.